Hi guys, I'm Travis from Tasmac. Been here 20 plus years. Today we're just going to have a brief walk around the KX018 excavator. Okay, so this is 1.7 tonne conventional swing machine. A couple of the major advantages of it are the hoses, all fed up all the way through the boom, no risk of damage there, and also the rams on top. So if it's been a high application, no one will be able to damage those rams when crowding back. Machines come in bare with nothing on the end of the dipper arm, and we can fit them up with what you like, whether they're half hitch, tilt hitch, hydraulic hitch, anything. All these machines also come in standard with auxiliary hydraulics. And as you can see, to expand the tracks, it's as easy as taking the weight off the machine and pulling a lever. You see as it swings around here, this is a conventional swing machine, and the back of the machine hangs out over the track. And this is the difference between a conventional swing machine and zero swing machine. The zero swing machine, the tail does not hang out over the tracks. And for those taller operators, there's plenty of platform room here. We also have the side console, easy to see dash, fuel gauge, etc. and wrist rests. Another major advantage is easy access to the engine compartment to check your oil filter, fuel filter, coolant and air cleaners. To access your radiator and battery, it's as simple as inside. We always try to carry stock of this machine and its zero swing counterpart. If you have any inquiries, please give me a call.